Just like we added the after 2 and after 4, we can add an E with 1 and E with 3. So it will go like 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and. I repeat, 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and. We can try this on our existing grooves, and this is how it will sound like. 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and. The most important part about this is you should be maintaining the rhythm. There should be no pauses in between, and the flow should be accurate. In order to keep a good flow and in order to make the rhythm sound good, it's advisable that you practice with a metronome. If you don't know how to practice with a metronome, you can check out my video on drum lessons on which I have explained you how to practice with a metronome and how to count your beats with a metronome. Going further, let's play these 1E and 3E and on a metronome with all our existing grooves. I'll give a playthrough for all the grooves that we have done before, so it won't take much time for you to understand it. Let's go at 60 BPM. Sorry, got blow away.